How to adjust the attendance scene layout. Welcome to this training video designed for setting up the attendance scene layout. We'll guide you through arranging your spaces within the attendance module. Start by ensuring you're in the Scene tab of the attendance module. Make sure that all your rooms or spaces are already created in the Setup module before arranging your center layout. Initially, the main screen will appear blank until spaces are added. In this video, we have pre-added spaces. First, ensure you're in editing mode, which is accessible only to those with administrative permissions. Hover over the pencil icon located at the top left to activate this mode. You'll see an option to turn on edit mode. Click the icon and proceed to add the pre-created spaces from the Setup module by clicking the plus symbol in the top left. A list of spaces not yet added to the layout will appear. Initially, all created spaces will be listed here. Select the space you wish to include in your layout. Adjust the shape and size of each space using the black markers. Experiment to get your desired layout. Many centers set up this view to mimic their floor plan. Once your layout is complete, click the pencil icon again to turn off editing mode.